Hello, and welcome to GQUAT Traditions. October in Connecticut is when we usually go to visit other farms and farmers markets to see what else is available. This year, you see little Rye enjoying himself, really looking at all of the fall produce, and what a busy little guy. I went to the farmer's market and got some things, including pumpkins, which we saved the seeds for, and we processed. We'll be getting more things. Here are all the seeds. I will be sharing some later. The children during the year like to have pallet gardens. We paint them. They pick their own seeds, plants, whatever they want to do. Here you see a little garden deck on the back porch. Cam won MVP again, 14-year-old basketball player in the summer. And in the fall, he likes cookies. Everybody likes cookies. So they call me Nana. I made chocolate chip cookies from scratch because that's how we roll. These cookies had 4 cups of chocolate chips. Some of them had 2 cups of walnuts. Everybody doesn't eat walnuts, so I put walnuts in some of them and not in the others. We like hanging out at Grandma's house on Sundays, on the weekends. And that's what we do. We eat, we love on each other. My brother comes down sometimes. He's a Marine Corps veteran. On that picture, he let Mommy wear his Marine Corps ring. And that's me, Nana. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and blessings. If you like the content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and maybe share. Peace, love, and blessings. Take care.